Hello there! Welcome to this tutorial about the cool emoji card. This card can be crafted for many occasions, such as birthdays, graduations, Father's Day, to tell someone he or she is pretty cool, or simply show your support. In case you're interested, on my blog you can find photo instructions about this card. Just click on the link in the video description. Let's get started! Take a blank greeting card. Look for a round object in your home. This could be a jar, tape or cup, just whatever has the right size. Put it on your card to see if it fits well and leave some space for the text. Since emojis mostly are yellow, you would need a sheet of yellow or gold paper. This could be normal, glitter or shiny paper, whatever you like. Put your round object on the yellow or gold paper and trace it with a pencil. Then, cut out the emoji shape with scissors or a craft knife. If you're gonna use a craft knife, depending on your type of paper and the sharpness of your knife, it might be that you need to make the cuts twice, as I experienced it myself. Take a sheet of white paper and fold a small part of it. It's time to draw a pair of sunglasses now with a pencil. Draw one of the sunglasses from the folded area. You could use the emoji shape to estimate the right size. Just try and see what works for you. The reason why I advise to use white paper instead of black is because colored paper is more expensive. Cut out the pair of sunglasses. And fold them and see if you like them on your emoji shape. For me, it took 4 attempts till I could decide. Take the sheet of white paper again and draw a half smile from the folded area. Then cut out the smile shape and unfold it. As you can see, it took me several attempts again. Put both the sunglasses and smile shape on a sheet of black paper, then trace both shapes with a pencil. Cut the sunglasses and smile shape out of the black paper with a craft knife or scissors. Put foaming pads on the back side of the sunglasses shape. This will add more dimension to your card. If you don't have foam pads at home, you can combine cardboard with double-sided adhesive tape. Attach the sunglasses shape to the emoji. Also attach the smile shape to the emoji. Since it's a quite small shape, you could use glue, thin double-sided adhesive tape, or combine them like I do. Put the emoji shape on your card to decide the location and size of your text. A ruler and pencil can be used to draw a few guidelines. I would suggest a short but powerful text like "Rock on," "Be cool," or "Awesome." First, draw the letters with a pencil. Then trace and fill the letters with a marker or fine liner. I applied a speckled effect to the letters. Remove visible pencil traces. Add foam pads to the back side of the emoji shape. Then attach it to the card front above the text. Your card is ready now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Happy crafting!